Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here. Today, we are going to be practicing number identification and creating groups of 7. Something that is different between our toddler curriculum and our 4 and 5-year-old and 3-year-old preschool curriculum is that with our toddlers, we focus on only one number a month. So while the numbers that we have on our skills focus wall say 11 and 12, those are for our 3 and 4 and 5-year-old preschool classes. Our toddlers are focusing on the number 7 this month. Something that is incredibly important when we are teaching number sense, counting, creating groups, and number identification is to present the material in many different ways, many different times. We know that repetition is key in early childhood education. So today, because we are learning about exploring the poles, the Arctic and Antarctica, we are going to create groups of 7 ice blocks. And we're just going to use sugar cubes. Now, to do this, I really want to reinforce the number 7 to my students. So I have printed and laminated the number 7 from the Funnydaffer resource library. I printed out a couple of cards that have number 7 as well as graphics because that's going to help us with our one-to-one correspondence, especially with our 1 and 2-year-olds. It's going to give them a visual to be able to build those groups of 7. I also printed out a couple of the larger environmental print posters, as well as the number 7 with realistic pictures. This is a new addition to the numbers section of the resource library. So first, I'm going to start by talking to our toddlers. Let's look at the number 7. Can we count to 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great counting. Let's count the alligators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. All right, now we're going to count ice blocks. How do you think ice blocks feel? They're cold. Let's count 7 ice blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 ice blocks. I'm going to take my number 7 and I am going to put 7 ice blocks on the number 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to put 7 ice blocks on the 7 dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to use all of these materials and I'm going to allow my students to play. Now, because we are working with toddlers, there is a good chance that this may go in their mouth. So you want to definitely supervise this activity and assist with counting, talking about the number 7, and creating different groups. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.